First of all, it is really important to speak up, to speak out, and to do so with other countries who share our abhorrence at what's happening to Uyghurs in Xinjiang, or for that matter, what's happening to democracy in Hong Kong.
ئامېرىكا تاشقى ئىشلار مىنىستىرى ئانتونى بلىنكېن خىتاينىڭ ئۇيغۇرلارغا ئىرقىي قىرغىنچىلىق قىلىۋاتقانلىقىنى يەنە بىر قېتىم تەكىتلىگەن. بلىنكېن بۇ سۆزلەرنى بايدېن ھۆكۈمىتى ئىرقىي قىرغىنچىلىق مەسىلىسىدە ئارىسالدا سىگنال بېرىش بىلەن ئەيىبلىنىۋاتقان مەزگىلدە قىلغان. بلىنكېن 28 fevral Kanada televiziya kanali CBC'nin ziyaretini qabul qilib, muxbirning bu vaqtdagi savoliga mundaq javob bergan.
So you believe it is a genocide? Is that accurate?
Yes, I've said so, and I've made that clear on behalf of the United States. President Biden, more importantly, has said so as well.
Shundaq, men shundaq dedim. Men Amerikaga vakolatan buni aniq o'tirg'a qo'ydim. Eng muhimi, Prezident Baydenmu shundaq dedi. Biroq Blinkenning aytishicha, Xitoyning irqiy qirg'inchilik qilayotganligiga qaror berishni har bir davlatning o'zi qaror qilishi kerak ekan. Blinken bu so'zni CBC muxbirining Kanada parlamenti Xitoyning harakatini irqiy qirg'inchilik deganligi, biroq hukumatning texmi tafsiliy uchurga ehtiyojli ekanligini qayd qilayotganligi, uning Kanadani uchur bilan ta'minlab Xitoyda yuz berayotgan ishlarning irqiy qirg'inchilik ekanligini dalillashiga yordam qilgan qilmaganligi haqidagi savoliga javoban aytgan.
Well, I think each country, each government needs to make its own assessment, its own determination following its laws and practices. We've made clear what we believe, and we look to other countries to make their own determinations.
Blinken her bir devlet ve hükümet bunu özünün kanuni ve emniyetiga qarab özü bahalaşı ve karar kılışı lazım. Biz özümüz işengenini aniq bayon qildik. Biz boshqa davlatlarning bu vaqtda qaror berishiga qaraymiz degan. Blinken Xitoyga qarshi amaliy tadbirlarni qo'llanish haqida to'xtalib, bu tadbirlar Xitoyni Uyg'urlarni bostirishga ishlatadigan texnikalik mahsulotlar bilan ta'minlamaslik, majburiy emgak mahsulotlarini import qilmaslik qatorliq vositalarni o'z ichiga oladiganligi. Buning davlatlar qila oladigan amaliy harakatlar ekanligini bildirgan.
But in terms of practical measures, I think there are a number of things that can be done. For example, countries should not be supplying any products or technology that can be used for the repression of people in China, for example, the Uyghurs. Similarly, countries should look at making sure they're not importing products that are made with forced labor. Those are very practical things that countries can do and focus on to make sure that not only is our voice loud, but our actions are too.
Uning ta'kidlashicha, har qaysi davlatlar Xitoyni qattiq tanqid qilib qo'ymay, balki yana amaliy harakat qo'llanishga kafolatlik qilish kerak ekan.
Look, I think as a general matter, we are much more effective when in dealing with some of the challenges that China poses, when we are doing it together, when countries, democracies are working together, speaking together, acting together. It's a lot harder for China to ignore our collective voice and our collective weight than it is for China to ignore each of us individually. So I think there's power in numbers, and ultimately the world coming together when it sees basic principles and basic standards violated is important in and of itself.